trunk open, or like the back seats, so it might be a little bit loud, but I'm currently on my way to go meet up with Kora Kaps. It's this company I'm partnering with, and we're just gonna go create some content. They're all the way in Torrance, so it's gonna take me a little minute. I think I'm running a little bit late, but I don't think it should be an issue. At least I hope not. But yeah, I do have 2 tires that I plan on doing donuts in, but we'll go ahead and see, because I don't know if they're like a little too wide, or not wide, but just thick, like I don't know. So yeah, I'm currently on my way. They're gonna provide me with a few outfits to try on and model in, and we're just gonna create some content, and yeah, let's run it up. I've officially made it to, like, I think this is like called Collab. Oh, my brakes. But right now I met up with the owner of Kora Kaps, and he provided me with a bikini and also these shorts I will be wearing, and also some sticker to put on my car to put on for the video. But yeah, this is his whip, another thing. It looks cool. Just put on this little decal. You want to do the honors? Take it off. Yeah, you could come out if you want. No, you look fine. 3. All of it comes up. Oh, period. Oh, I jinxed it. We just recorded some donuts around us 2 girls. Her name's Angel, but yeah, they're gonna go. Huh? What?
Homie, I don't know who's in the account. 01. What? You know how to do full circles? Like that video you did where you kept turning the wheel?
Kind of, I don't know.
Do that one. That's the only
I know my adrenaline rush, like I don't know.
Yeah, I know how it feels.
Like I just started turning the other way.
Unless you wanna just put up the windows and say it was you driving, and I'll.
No.
Alright, so let me see if I can do it.
Hell no. Okay. That way? Oh my god, I better not get a cone stuck in me.
Wait, why you?
Huh?
He said right here. I got that.
That shit was fucking fire, bro. I'll be a drifter. And I was close to the whips. Like, props to me for controlling that shit. Period! Ooh.
or with my phone?
Alright.
Okay.
Then with the carbon fiber steering wheel.
Alright guys, I just got done doing donuts and oh my god, the adrenaline rush is actually insane. But yeah, that was so much fun. It's time for me to change my tires because I don't want to ride on those anymore and one of them popped. So back to my daily wheels and then yeah. So you guys can watch the process. One side is done, so let's go ahead and do the next one. Because I'm fucking tired, but period. Look, she ate. Back to the original ones. This truck?
That's just too hard to do. Yeah, brother! There we go. Hey, is this all-wheel drive? It's like you can do it, everybody. Good? Oh, yeah, turn off, try to shoot. I don't know.
His shit was dead, huh?
Huh?
His shit was
yeah,
dead.
I kept like cutting it, and then this one just like split it right through.
He said I would have smacked all the donuts.
Why you can do that?
How you got all these guys here and you don't have nobody helping you change the damn tire?
I can do it myself.
What the hell? JC's more of a man than us. That's some real shit though. High five to that.
Thank you.
For sure. From the one. Damn, she got everything dialed. She literally had a whole jack and everything for what she said. She said, I'm gonna send it right now. I literally saw the jack in her car and I was like, oh yeah, she's just saying. Damn, you got money, girl.
Thank you. It's sick.
Oh, yeah? I've been having it.
I do want to drift a lot more, like actually properly learn how to drift would be so sick, but at least I'm getting down to perfecting the donuts first, and then from then on